Hello everyone, my name is Liam and welcome to my first puzzle video. I'm going to throw up on Facebook and YouTube. Basically, Brad Entertainment runs puzzle race events at RSL clubs and pubs, that sort of thing, where you can, as a team or by yourself, race to complete a puzzle and the winner gets a prize. We've got a couple of events coming up which is really exciting, but I thought I would do one myself, time myself. I'm not very good, so it will probably take a while. But I've got the puzzle that we used for our very first ever puzzle hour event, which was at Gladesville a couple of months ago. It's a lovely puzzle from QPuzzles of Mont Saint-Michel in France, and I'm just going to time myself to see how long it takes me to do this. It could take a fair while. So this is just going to be like a little time lapse of me doing it. So let's do it. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1, go. I think we're away. Alright. Now, as I said, I'm not very good at this, so don't expect world record times. It could take me hours for all I know. So let's do it. Alright, I'm already coming up on an hour and I've barely done anything. Basically all I've done is some of the border, some of the sky over here and the grey of the water, and I've mostly just been working on this castle. But as you can see, all the shapes are quite odd, so it's a little bit tricky. I'm already an hour in. As I said, I'm not an expert, but we'll see if we can get it done in under 3 hours. Just over 2 hours in. I'm slowly getting it. It doesn't look like I've made that much progress, but pretty much done all the castle. And then there's just filling out the sky and the mud, but that will be tricky. Hopefully I can get it done within 3 hours. That's the goal. Did it. 3.5 hours, but we did it. Took a lot longer than I expected, but oh well, you can only get better. There we go, there's Mont Saint-Michel, 500 pieces, 3.5 hours. Anyway, it was good fun.